Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
And we're back with a bang, back with a backpack like I'm packed for Japan, live gat in my hand. Now we've all have these patties from the shop, Pound, Uncle Ron's, whatever they are. Looks half decent, it's yellow, obviously additives. We're gonna heat it up, boom, bam, heat up the thing, and we're gonna try it, we're gonna see what I always find them quite pasty inside. We're gonna make better ones. Check it's hot, lick the fork. Now look, see, enough bread. There ain't no meat in there. Look, you can see, barely any meat. I know, keep costs down, probably cost about 24p to make, sell them for £1. Right, it's good profit margin, but we're gonna make them better. Now, first we're gonna do 200 grams of plain flour. Like and subscribe, baby. Plain flour, 200 grams, put that up there, top right, 200 grams, see it there? Butter, 120 grams, 115, 117. I just eyeball it, mate. Eyeball it, bang it on there. Look, 119. Can't complain. Chop that up, chop it into little chunks. We're not melting it, we're not softening it. You want those pockets of butter in there. Them little pockets will just make it all lovely. And you can subscribe to this channel and click the like button in just as much time as it takes to chop this butter. You know, that's how we do. Subscribe. Brown sugar, 1 tablespoon, yeah? Soft brown, you can use castor. There's the turmeric and curry powder. This will give it that lovely flavour. So like 2 teaspoons of curry powder, teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of salt. Crumb that up like you're making pastry. Basic short crust pastry. Dreadlock rasta. This is how we do. We're at 3,000 subscribers now, it's mad. Now once it's all crumbly like this, you're gonna add some cold water. Make sure it's cold, you don't wanna melt the butter within. Cold water until just mix it and knead it. You don't have to knead it for long, it's not bread we make. A patty. We're making patty. So yeah, just mix it together, give it a little knead. You need to knead it, but just till it's like pasty, it doesn't stick to your hands, see it there? Make sure you scoop all them dry bits from out the bottom, bloodies. Yeah, man, just add your water, but not too much. Look at that. See? Give it a slap. Bang it in cling film. Put it in the fridge for a good hour. Let that set. Next thing, we're going to make the fillings. First one, veg curry. Potato. Boom. Chopped. See it there? Sweet potato. Boom. Chopped. Editing. Carrot. Half a carrot. Yes. Follow on Insta. Chop that. Yes. Yes, pepper, onion, spring onion, garlic and scotch bonnet there.
A little bit spicy. Spicy. Spicy.
Spicy, says Ainsley. Now, we've got half of this, see, boiling water in with your root veg, put that on to boil. As soon as that boils, move it off, bang that on there. Little bit of oil. Now you got your onion, your garlic, your chilli, your scotch, your things, them. Soften them, boom, bit of thyme in there. Jamaican cooking, light work, curry powder, yeah? Mild, medium, it's up to you. If you like it hot and spicy, which it should be, then yeah, all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, boy. There's a woman in the car park looking at me funny. Never mind, it's Flavor Station, baby. Let them look, let them. Add a bit of water in there just to moisten up that. Don't let that cook out too much, then boom. In with that, you don't have to drain it too tough, you need the liquid. Look at that, the root veg in there once it's nice and tender. Vegetarian patties, man. Technically, no, it's got butter in it. You could make them vegan with flora though. Anyway, back on your high heat and just mash that in there, just give that a mix, incorporate that, let all that spice and liquid soak into your potatoes and your sweet potato. We're not messing. Tablespoon of flour, that's just to thicken the liquids within. You know what I'm saying? Within there, there's the liquids and the flavour. Eat that potato, lovely. New stove top coming soon. See it there? Yeah, boy. Now, same thing again. Onion, garlic, all that good stuff. Jerk chicken that's been in the fridge, in the freezer, rather. Got it out, it's cooked. If you want to know how to make jerk chicken proper things, then just go on my profile, the YouTube channel, and just scroll down, you'll see jerk chicken, perfect recipe. No long ting. Now, we're just going to pull the meat off this. It's nice and tender and cooked already. So we're just going to pull the meat off. Just be careful of any of the splinter bones and that. You don't want that. Don't get no sinew in there. See, like that. That goes in your throat. You're done out here, blood. You are brown bread. Now, once you've torn all that off. Lovely stuff, innit? You can put the skin in and everything. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Got the yardie colours going on there. No messing, bloody. Yeah, man. Look at that. Chicken. Finger licking, baby. Look at that bloody thing. Absolutely stupendous. Now you got your meat and your veg and your ting. Splash of oil, remember, cook your onion, your peppers, your spring onion, your scallion, your tings, your scotch bonnet, all of that. Cook that, soften it, jerk seasoning in there. If you don't have that, you can, again, watch the jerk chicken video where we make our own seasoning blend. And you can watch that, you can make that blend. Now, bit of water in there, see it there? Boiling water. In with the chicken. Make sure you get this nice and hot. EHO regulations, COVID restrictions, lockdown. Gotta make sure the chicken is patterned. Little bit of flour like we did with the veggies, blood. Just to thicken up that gravy. It's like a gravy, like a sauce. You want the inside of that patty to be next level, blood. Like, oh my days, like next level flavour. It's Flavour Station, not I can't cook station because I'm an idiot. Now, pastry out of the fridge. Onto a floured side. Should be nice and firm. Bang a bit of flour on there. Oh yeah, sticker. Remove that bloody thing. Now, a bit of flour on the floor. On the worktop. Bang your pastry on there. Flip her over. Flip her again. Now we just roll. Thin. Pastry thin. That's all you need. Like short crust pastry. Thin. And it's going to cook and be bare yellow. It's going to be proper yellow and have the flavour and the curry flavour and the turmeric. Health beneficial. Anti-carcinogen pastry. No messing with it. Ever. He's got his mask underneath his nose. Bloody moron. Yeah, and just do it till it's that thick. Grab yourself a plate, nice round plate, and you're going to cut 4 or 6. That'll make 4 patties. You need 1 each. Let's make 3 patties. Let's just make 3 patties. 2 veg, 1 meat. Let's not mess about here. Just cut round your spoon. A spoon? Cut round your plate. And then just spoon. That's the veggie now, look. Spoon that on. And we're just going to use a little bit of water. Not egg yet. Just water around the edges. See it there? Lukewarm water. Just finger that on there. I press that on there. Fold over, make sure there's no air bubbles in the patty. No air bubbles. Squash that down, and we're going to fork it in a bit. But for now, we're forking it now. Fork it then. Yeah, boy. Yeah, man, look at that. Just crimp it like so. Air holes to let the steam escape. Floured non-stick baking tray, and there we go. Let's do the chicken one next. Same pattern, same result. Just spoon that in, nice and big. These patties never have enough filling in them. We're gonna make patties with bare filling. You're talking, you're down the mines, mining for scotch bonnets and thyme, and you need the sustenance. Fold that over, squash out the air holes, and then fork it again. Fork it, baby. Fork it. Fork it. Beautiful stuff. Bang, bang, bish, bash, bosh. No messing. Now you can always do it again and save that for later, but there we go. Patty. Egg wash. Whisk an egg, get a brush, and just brush that over. I like to egg wash my pastry. I find it keeps it moist inside, gives it that nice, like, just sheen to it, where it makes you think, oh, that's tasty. I want a bit of that. That's what it gives it. The rotted something. I feel look good. Yeah, egg wash. Egg shower. Peace. Now, we go into the oven. 180 for 20 minutes. Close the door. Look at me. I am great. Now they're out. Look at them. Patties, blood. Golden, yellow. Inside's gonna look too sick. Look. Oh, you can tell it's really soft and crumbly and flaky. And you're gonna have to vacuum. Let's look inside. Which one's this? Chicken. Let it steam. Let us see. Yeah, man. Deep fill. Oh, wash the knife. Yeah, I went away, come back. vegetarian version now. Curried veg. Now, come on, blood. No messing. Bit of rainbow slaw, recipe for that coming soon. Oh, look at it. Tender, juicy. Just tell me you can't smell that through the screen. And there's your veg one. Oh, I made like a proper TikToker. Look at the bit of time. Oh, it turns me on. Oh, yes. Yes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, bloodies. And, yeah, I didn't put the name, but never mind. Love you.